Hi friends, you are studying MS-DOS basics, and in this video we will understand and use some MS-DOS commands. So first of all, let's talk about the brief history of DOS. And DOS stands for Disk Operating System, and it was invented by Tim Patterson. DOS was the first operating system used by IBM compatible computers. It was marketed under two different names, PC-DOS and MS-DOS. The PC-DOS was the version developed by IBM and sold to the first IBM compatible manufacturers. And on the other hand, MS-DOS was the version that Microsoft brought the rights to and was bundled with the first versions of Windows. So the PC-DOS was for IBM compatible manufacturers, and the MS-DOS is pre-installed nowadays with Windows, and in this course we will use MS-DOS. So what is CLI and GUI? A GUI stands for graphical user interface. Is a graphical representation in which the users can interact with software or devices through graphical icons. So as you can see, this diagram represents the example of GUI. As you can see, there are lots of graphical icons. This is the start menu of Windows 8. There are lots of graphical icons through which you can use your applications, and you can utilize all of your hardware by just clicking on these icons. GUI is great. GUI is better. So this is the example of GUI. A CLI stands for Command Line Interface. This is a console or text-based representation in which the users type the commands to operate the software devices. As you can see, this is an example of CLI. We are writing the commands to operate with our devices or softwares, right? So there's a good thing that CLI-based operating systems takes way much less resources of your computer system as compared with the GUI. But GUI is more user-friendly as compared with the CLI. So there are different advantages and disadvantages of both the CLI and GUI-based operating systems. Examples. So it would be good for you to take the external material from futureenvision.blogspot.com. So I would like to show you how you can do this. First of all, you have to just open up your favorite web browser. There you have to just visit futureenvision.blogspot.com. After visiting on futureenvision.blogspot.com, you will see a page like this. Click on Read More on MS-DOS Basics. So here, as you can see, this is MS-DOS Basics course title, and there is the course description. Scroll down a little bit, you will see course material MS-DOS commands. It's a document. Just click on it. This document will be opened. You can also download it. This document contains all the basic commands which we will see in this course. So it's good for you to download this document so that you can understand all the things much easier. That will make the understanding of all the commands much easier. Okay, so let's dive into the MS-DOS. So now we will look at the CMD, that how you can use CMD. What is CMD? To open MS-DOS, you need to just go to Start and search for CMD, and this CMD is your MS-DOS, right? So this is CLI screen. It's a CLI based operating system, as you can see. And if I write VER, which stands for version, and hit enter, as you can see, it shows us the version of my operating system, Microsoft Windows version 6.1.7601. All right. And if I write here host name, that will show my host name. If I hit enter, as you can see, it shows as Future Envision, which is my host name here. All right. You can also open some Windows pre-installed applications by writing their file system names. For example, if I write here CALC, that will open my calculator, right? If I write Explorer, that will open my Explorer, right? Okay. And if I write task MGR, that will open my task manager, right? And yes, if I write MS Paint, then that will open my Microsoft Paint. There it is, right? And if I want to clear my screen, there are lots of commands here in my CLI screen. I want to clear my screen, so in this case I will write CLS, which stands for clear screen, and hit enter. Look, my screen is cleared, right? And if I write exit, then this will close my MS-DOS window. All right. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will see some more commands, and we will use those commands in a systematic way. All right. So see you in the next video. Thank you.